Today's nutrition tip is how to add some fruits and vegetables into some yummy, delicious food you're making at home. Today we're going to make this zucchini banana nut bread. It's a recipe my family has loved for so many years, and I'm going to show you how to make this. First thing we're going to do is cream the butter and the 2 sugars. Then I've got eggs already scrambled. I'm going to mash these 2 bananas, are perfectly ripe for banana bread. Then I'm going to shred the zucchini. I've got my vanilla ready to go. This is my flour. In here I have my baking soda, baking powder, and salt. And then lastly we'll be adding the walnuts. Those are all going to go into this greased and floured pan, which will bake at 350 for 1 hour. Now we're going to cream the butter and sugar, and we're going to do that until it's fluffy. So I'm going to add the eggs and the bananas. And I've sifted together all the dry ingredients, and they're now going in. And then we're going to beat this until it's very smooth. And I have 1 cup of zucchini, which I forgot to add. It is the key ingredient, along with the bananas. So we'll incorporate that as well. And the last step is to incorporate walnuts. So we have added bananas, zucchini, and walnuts, all of which are very good for you. It is delicious.